Hello students, today we will study chapter number 4, Atomic Structure and Chemical Bonding. So let us start with atomic structure. There were two philosophers who first of all told about the atoms. One was the Indian philosopher named Maharishi Kanad. He was working on matter and he said that the matter is made up of very small particles that cannot be further divided, and he gave that particle's name as Parmanu. At the same time, when Maharishi Kanad was telling about Parmanu, at the same time there was a Greek philosopher who was also working on the matter, and he also said the same thing, that everything is made up of very small particles that cannot be further divided into simple substances, and he gave them the name atom. And the Greek philosopher was Democritus. So the word atom was given by Democritus, who was the Greek philosopher. After that, in 1808, John Dalton proposed the theory of atom, and that theory of atom is known as atomic theory. Although now this theory is modified, but still some of the points are same. So let us first see that what were the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. The number 1 point was, matter consists of small indivisible particles called atom. Same thing that was said by Democritus, that they cannot be further divided. So matter is made up of small indivisible particles. They cannot be divided. But now we know that atoms can be divided. Now second point, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. We have studied this in law of conservation of mass also, that matter cannot be created and nor be destroyed. So same thing, atoms are neither created nor destroyed. Third point, atoms of the same element are alike in every aspect and differ from atoms of all other elements. It means if there is a gold atom, gold element, then all the atoms present in that gold element will be same. Gold के ही होंगे सब, same होंगे, all will be alike, एक जैसे बिल्कुल, right? And the atoms of different element, if we take silver, another element, then atoms of that element will be different from the atoms of gold element. Now next point he gave, that atoms combine with other atoms in a simple whole number ratio. Like suppose we talk about water. In water, 2 atoms of hydrogen combines with 1 atom of oxygen to form water. So you can see the number is simple whole ratio, 2:1. There is no decimal, fraction numbers nahi hai. They are simple whole numbers. So always the atoms combine in simple whole number ratios. Next is, an atom is the smallest unit of matter which takes part in a chemical reaction, and all chemical changes results from separation or combination of atoms. It means when we talk about any chemical change or chemical reaction, that chemical reaction is due to either separation of the atoms or due to the combinations of the atom. Now come to the modern atomic theory has contradicted most of the above postulates. Now how the modern theory has contradicted these points? Number 1 point given by Dalton was, atoms are indivisible. But now we know that they can be divided into electron, proton and neutron, and indestructible, but now we know that they can be destructed. Only their form changes, form of energy changes. An atom is the smallest indivisible particle of an atom. Atoms are divisible into electron, proton and neutron. Atoms of the same element are alike in all respects and differ from atoms of other element. But now we know that atoms of different type can be present in a same element and that are known as isotopes.